Here we have a 2016 Audi SQ7 Quattro. Now this vehicle does come with over £25,000 worth of optional extras included in it. Now when I get into the car, I'll read you a little spec list just to show you what it has. Now it does have 4 superb, unscratched, unmarked 22-inch SQ7 style alloy wheels with the red brake calipers just behind. Now we do have the LED matrix headlights as well as the SQ7 badging with the chrome Audi badging on the front. Now the grille surround is also black. Now we do have the panoramic sunroof, which is currently closed at the moment as it is raining, but at a later date we'll do another video with it open. Now we do have the blacked out styling, so you get the black roof bars, the black window trim with the privacy glass on the rear, the side sets on the either side, and you also get the black strip just along the doors just there as well. Now we do have a front and rear parking sensor with 360-degree cameras, so you do get one on the rear, 2 underneath the wing mirrors and 1 in the front grille. Now we do have the SQ7 badging just on the rear there, Quad X exhaust flush to the rear bumper and also the rear diffuser. Now we do also get a power assisted rear tailgate from a touch of a button on the key, where you find you do have the 3rd row of seats just in the rear. You do also have the screens for the rear passengers. We have the luggage load liner, which has been taken out and placed there just for the purpose of this video, just to show you that the rear seats do fold back. Now we can lower the rear of the car from a touch of a button just there to make it easier to load luggage in. We also have the buttons to rear the seats, and you also have the button to release the tow bar, which will pop out. Now we do also have the power assisted tailgate, which goes back down again. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle. Now if we go to the rear of the car, I'll show bits of the interior. Now as you can see, we do have a full Volcana leather throughout with the diamond stitching. We also have the ISOFIX points, pull down leather armrest. We also have the storage behind the driver and passenger seat. You have your climate control in the centre with your vents. On the doors you do have your electric windows with storage just there, integrated Bose sound system. Now if you go to the front, you do also have your blind spot assist, which lights up when cars are around you. There's a look at the driver's Volcana full leather front seat, again with the diamond stitching. On the doors you do have your electric windows with your electric heated power folding mirrors. You have the Sono carbon inlays all around this vehicle, which is another optional extra. Then we do also have the sway just there as well, and again your integrated Bose sound system. Jumping inside the car and looking just down here, you do have your auto lights with your heads up display. Foot on the brake and keyless start, so the button will then start. As you can see, we do have the ambient lighting all around this vehicle. Now we do have adaptive cruise control and speed limiter. We also have lane keeping assist just there. Paddle shift if we wish to take the car into manual mode, and also a multifunction steering wheel. We do have the carbon inlays all around this vehicle, which is a very, very nice addition. Now we do have the satellite navigation screen just in the centre there as well, where we can also find Bluetooth phone connectivity, DAB radio, and you also have media connectivity there as well. They do also have Bluetooth media and aux, and also USB connectivity there as well. Pop the car into reverse, you can find you do have the 360 cameras, so you do have the corner view for the rear view, overhead view, front view, and also corner front view just there as well. Now we do have different drive modes, so if I just come back off that, I'll show you the drive modes just now. So if I go into menu and go all the way up to car, you can see all the different drive modes. So we do have lift, off-road, all-road, efficiency, comfort, auto, dynamic and individual. Now this vehicle does have the air suspension, so as you can see just in the corner, when I clicked on dynamic it will then lower, then when I pop it into lift and off-road it will then rise to give you the most ground clearance. Now we do have the parking assist just there as well, so when you can drive up to a space, the car detects it and it will then park itself. We also have stop start on and off with your traction control on and off, parking sensors on and off. You can also have downhill ascent assist and also lower the screen so it's completely out of sight. Now you can also raise it again like so. Now coming down here, you do have the dual zone climate control in the front, and it's a 4 zone, so you do have the climate control in the rear as well. Now it works exactly how you would expect it to, as you can see the dial just moving there. 2 heated front seats, which again work exactly how you would expect it to. Now the driver and passenger seat are heated, electric and memory, so you do get the memory functions on either side, as you can see just there. You have your touchpad just down there. Pop this open, you do have storage just down there with 12 volt connectivity, I'll close that back up. 2 nice size cup holders with storage for the key just in there. Again, the carbon fibre inlays, which is just there. Now, if I turn the lights on, you do have the ambient lighting, which goes all around this vehicle. It's quite hard to see in the light, but it also goes all the way around there as well, which again is another optional extra for this car. Now, we do have the storage just up in there. We also have the Audi phone box. And there's a look at the passenger's front seat. Now there's a quick look at the panoramic sunroof just there as well. Now, some of the optional extras included in this car is we do have the 22-inch alloy wheels, the carbon Atlas Sono inlay, which is all the carbon fibre in the interior. We have the electrical heated folding dimming door mirrors with curve view, and they're also memory. We have the electric panoramic sunroof, heat and sound insulation glass with the privacy glass on the rear, the matrix LED headlights. Now, we do have the paintwork. Now, it is a metallic paintwork. It is called Florent Silver, which is again another optional extra and does look very, very nice in from every angle. Now, we do have the Volcana leather and black S Sport seats, which are extremely comfortable. You can quite easily do 200, 300, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Now, we do have the all-wheel steering, so when you're steering around those tight bends, the rear wheels actually turn just to help you with the manoeuvrability. Now, we do also have the Audi Sport Pack, so we do have the rear steering. Now, it is called the Driving Dynamics Sport Pack, which is a £5,700 optional extra. We have the Parking Pack Advance with the heads-up display, Audi phone box, and the list goes on and on. If you want a full list of what this vehicle has, please go onto the website and you'll be able to see everything on there. Now, this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with a fresh service, new MOT, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.